Hi ladies, it's Brianne again. I'm going to be your personal shopper for the next couple days, so you'll see me a lot posting on Facebook. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about how this works. So I just posted it in this post, but sometimes when you have to do a lot of reading, it gets a little confusing, so a video usually helps. So I wanted to tell you, I'll be posting over the next 3 days, so today, tomorrow, and the next day. And then what I'll be doing is on the third day, I will be going live. So that live portion will be the prize drawing. And the prizes will be determined based on participation and based on sales. So orders that you have put in online. So what I will do is on each post, it'll tell you how many ticket numbers you're going to get for commenting. And I actually will assign those numbers. I actually will track all those numbers, so you don't need to keep any log of that. I will do all of that for you. And then the first person to comment on each post will get 2 tickets. Everybody else will get 1. And I say tickets, it's going to be a number. So if you post and I put number 3, and you're the first person, then you're going to be number 3 and 4. So I hope that makes sense. It's kind of a little bit different party style, but it's a lot of fun. And the more numbers you get, the more you're going to win. So sorry, I don't know what that beeping was. So I want you guys to be participating and commenting so that you can get those numbers, because the more numbers you have, the bigger chance you have to win. So on day 3, I'll do a live drawing where I draw the winner. I use an app called Random Picker, I think is what it's called, and that will actually pick the winners, but I'll come live on a live video on that page, on that group, to tell you who wins. So what I want you guys to do for this post is I want you to tell me your favorite TV show. And again, the first person to comment is going to get 2 ticket numbers. Everybody else will get 1. So I hope this is a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you later.